We have arrived at a planet called Hastai. This is an unexplored Earth-like planet, far from home. Our sensors indicate that this world is well suited for biological life as we know it. And indeed, this is the very reason we have come all this way. A quick survey shows various continents with a global sea around them, and large spots of green may be a likely candidate for plant life. A shuttle with a crew of 30 explorer scientists embarks from our main vessel to establish a research outpost on the surface. Our main vessel shall stay in orbit around the planet for the foreseeable future. We settle on a bare rocky plateau overlooking a grassland attached to a forest. There is a lake nearby and no sign of any potentially dangerous wildlife. Our base consists of a handful of low, pristine white domes. They contain an environment fully sealed off from the outside, various machinery to keep said environment stable, living quarters, laboratories, and a place to grow edible plants and process drinkable water. Our waste will be recycled into fertilizer with an option to extract nutrients for emergency rations. Every dome has at least one airlock to the outside, and everyone will wear sterilized spacesuits when in the field to minimize cross-contamination. This world, although Earth-like and around an Earth-like star, has some key differences to be considered. There is a whole 3% more oxygen, various levels of nitrates that make your skin itch, or so they say, and a curious undertone of sulfur in the air. The planet is 0.05% bigger than the Earth and has a slightly stronger gravity, but, but the difference is barely noticeable. The atmosphere is thick and exerts 1.2 bar of pressure on the ground, a whole 0.2 bar heavier than Earth standard. There are clouds drifting overhead, indicating a healthy climate cycle. There is no ice caps on this world, as the temperature is 2 degrees warmer than Earth. And in our initial survey, we found no active volcanoes, and the days seem to be around 24.7 hours long. My name is Alex. I am part of the team that settled on the ground. While I am not specialized in any specific field of research, I do have limited knowledge of biology and a useful skill set which contains, but is not limited to, maintenance of machinery and cooking. For my personal enjoyment, I shall use this notepad to describe and sketch the various things we encounter in our exploration. Given my limited knowledge of biology, however, I should not go too deep into the hows and whys of evolution. If someone someday reads this memoir, I hope you will enjoy the wonders of this world as much as I do.